Hello, this is like the bedroom area, used closet, two of them, exposed brick wall, beautiful floors, open view, that fits a king size bed and used furniture. Or that could be a living room as well. That's a kitchen. Brand new counter top granite. Brand new everything. Microwave. It's got the vent. Dishwasher. Brand new. Right now it's like 5:30 p.m. Bright apartment, very bright. So that fit a couch over here, TV there, or you can do it in the bigger room. Another used closet right there with overhead. The other one I have overhead as well. This is the bathroom, and it has a fan. Small window. A top floor. 5th floor walk up, but it's only 4 fly up the stairs.